This screencast is going to show you how to add content into a WordPress widget. Now, widgets are a way that WordPress has of making it easy for you to slot content into your page, into a kind of fixed area of your page. And on this site, we've widgetized the footer. So we've put 3 widget areas in the footer, here, here, and here. And if we head on over to the WordPress dashboard, you can see how this looks in the back end. So hover on the site title, scroll down to where it says widgets and click, and that'll take us to the widget area in the WordPress back end. And in this case, we've called the footer widgets footer widget left, footer widget center, and footer widget right. So the names are quite self-explanatory. And for the purposes of this brief tutorial, we're going to add some content into the center footer widget. So we're going to try and get some content coming through here. At the moment, there's nothing there. There's just a test title. So in your back end, if we go over to footer widget center, you'll see that we've added something called a text box into the widget. So you can add new text boxes here by dragging them across. Okay, and that's how you get a text box into your widget. We'll drag that back out again. We've already got one in there. And text boxes basically are a way for you to get either text or HTML into your fixed area of your web page. Okay, so what we'll do in this particular case is we'll change the title to mission. Okay, and we're going to paste a bit of content. So here's some I prepared earlier. I've got some content, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy and paste from a text editor. You might use Notepad. This particular one's called Gedit. So we're going to Control C that, go over to our widget, Control V. We're going to tick automatically add paragraphs and just kind of try and make it give itself a paragraph. But WordPress has got a little bit of a glitch, and that doesn't work terribly well. So I've saved that. I'll head over and have a look. And as you can see, our content has come in, but unfortunately the paragraph hasn't spaced itself properly. It's not the regular paragraph spacing that we've set for this site. Okay, our title has come through fine, the content's come through, but the spacing is wrong. So let's head back over to widgets and I'll show you what you can do about it. We'll get rid of, well, basically we can do it from here. We have to add paragraph tags to our paragraph. Now what that means is you add a tag like this to the beginning of your paragraph and a closing paragraph tag to the end of your paragraph. Okay, and then we want a new paragraph to begin, so we're going to repeat the process, and then at the end of the paragraph we're going to have, oops, missed a forward slash, we're going to have a closing tag. That's the closing tag there. That's, oops, that is the opening tag. So that's how you tell the browser to create a new paragraph. So now if we save that and head back over to our page, refresh the page, you can see it's nicely set out the paragraph. I need to adjust the padding a little bit on this widget, and I'll do that in a minute. I hadn't done that at this point because without any content in the widget it's hard to tell how much padding you need. So I'll add that bit of padding. We can make this a little bit nicer as well. You can see here where it says we are part of the Useful Simple Trust. It might be nice if we had a link there, and that's quite easy to do. I'll show you how to do that. So we head back over to our widget. We'll get rid of that for the minute because I've prepared some text already. So what we'll do now, in my text editor, you can see this is essentially the same in that I've spaced out my paragraphs using the P tags. Okay. But for this, these words here, Useful Simple Trust, I've wrapped them in a link tag. Okay, now what that means is in HTML, if you want these words to link to the usefulsimple.co.uk website, you have to wrap it in this tag. So you start off with a href equals, and then you add your URL in between inverted commas, and then you finish it with a closing a tag. Okay. So we're just going to Control C that. We're going to paste it in and hit save. Refresh the page. Now I've got a nicely spaced pair of paragraphs with an active link that we've managed to control. So that's it, simple as that. So again, if you wanted to do that, you just hover on your site title when you're logged in, go down to widgets, and basically add your content into the relevant text widget. Hey, thanks for listening.